Hello all, welcome to chapter 31 from the book of Numbers. In the beginning of this chapter, we see God asks Moses to take vengeance against the Midianites on behalf of the Israelites. God also informs Moses once this war is over, Moses will die and join his ancestors. Moses asks the Israelites to take up arms, and 1,000 from each tribe are recruited for war. Along with 12,000 men, Moses sends Phinehas, the son of Eleazar the priest, with the holy articles and the signal trumpets in his hand. The Israelites killed all the males as per Moses' instructions. The 5 kings of Midian were killed. Balaam is also killed. They burned the cities and forts of Midian. We then see the captains of the thousands bring women and the spoil of the war to Moses and Eleazar outside the camp. Moses is angry and questions them as to why the women were kept alive. Moses informs that the women under the counsel of Balaam had committed harlotry to defile the Israelites. Moses explains that this incident had caused God to punish the Israelites and many were killed. Moses informs to kill every woman who has known a man intimately. The little males were also ordered to be killed. Here we find that the order of killing little males was a bit severe. We find this order to be severe, however, in those times it was seen that the boys who grew into men had the responsibility of taking vengeance of their father's death. In light of this culture, which was practiced, Moses ordering the death of those boys was a usual norm back then. Coming back to this chapter, we see only the young women who did not know any men intimately were allowed for them. Moses then informs the men to remain outside the camp for 7 days. Instructions were given with regards to purification before entering the camp. The spoils like gold, silver that could endure fire were to be purified using fire. The spoils that could not endure fire were to be purified using water. Towards the end of this chapter, we see God then gave instructions on how the spoil of the war was to be distributed. There was no casualties among the 12,000 warriors. So we find that not a single warrior from the Israelites was killed in this war. The spoil was to be given to the soldiers and all the Israelites. A part of it was to be given to the priest and offered to God. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.